Hi, have you ever noticed how your online activities can be tracked across sites? Even when you think you are browsing privately, every search, every click can follow you. But until now, just a quick heads up, if you sign up for Surfshark using the link below, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It helps support the channel so that I can keep making helpful videos. I really appreciate that. With Surfshark's All Persona feature, you can separate your online identities with any site you go so that you decide which one can be used. Just imagine shopping, browsing, and streaming safely without websites connecting all the dots about you. Well, I'm going to show you exactly how this really works and how practical it can be for you. Just note it on screen. You are going to see the QR code. You can just scan it and then you will land on the Surfshark's website so that you can follow along as I really show you how you can make use of it. In case you have difficulties downloading it, there is a video here on my channel where I show you how you can really download and install Surfshark. Or if you like, you can click on the link in the description and then still you will land the official website of Surfshark so that you can follow along. Yes, as you really do that, you will really experience true privacy for yourself. Before we continue, I want to kindly remind you, if you are following this tutorial, please make sure to use my special link to get started. You can find it right below this video, in the description, in the pinned comment, or you can simply scan the QR code you see on your screen. If you are not familiar with how QR codes work, don't worry. I've made a short video right here on this channel showing you exactly how to download and use a QR scanner on your phone. Just look for it in this channel and you see how to install it and use it on your phone. By using my link, you not only get access to the official website and often benefit from exclusive discounts or even deals, because these discounts and deals will make you to pay at a reduced price. But you also help support this channel so that I can keep creating more clear, practical tutorials like this one, all at no extra cost to you. So let us go ahead and follow together step by step. I will show you exactly how you go from that link all the way to the download page, whether you are using a phone or a computer. We are now in the case where you are now on my page, where you are watching my video on your phone. Then we want now to go straight from the link to the download page. As you can see there, that's my channel. You just click on more. As you click on more, you will now see the link that is displayed here where you are seeing disclaimer where they say try Surfshark. As you just click on that link, it will take you right away now to the official website of Surfshark. They say, do you want to leave YouTube? You say yes. You click on leave, so they should take you now to the website of Surfshark where we are going to download it for our trial period. You just be patient a bit as it is loading the website of Surfshark. That is it, that is loading, leaving from YouTube, so that we can leave from the root link to the official website of Surfshark. That's it loading. Here now, the focus should be at the three lines you see just near Surfshark, the way they say get Surfshark. You click on those three lines, please. Those three lines up there should be your focus. When you click on it, as you see, it will take you to the download page. You click on download. The focus should be on download. You click on download. And then it will ask you what you want to do. You click now where they say download app. You click on download app so that you can download Surfshark on your phone. And here now, if you scroll, it asks you what do you want. Is it to download for Windows? No, on our phone. Download for Mac. If you have it, yes. If it's for Linux, you go there. But in our own case here, we are mostly focused on downloading on Android. My phone is an Android phone. Now these are the different apps. I will go back to download for Android APK. Any Android phone, you just select that one. If I click on it, it will now move me now from the link to the download page. Let's just be patient. You see it's loading now. Just be patient a bit so that it can take us to the download page. And that is it. We are now in Google Play. You click on install and then it is going to install the Surfshark app on your phone. Now let me share now my screen with you. Okay, once you open your phone, you scroll now and look for Surfshark and then you open it. I'm going now to elaborate more on persona. As you can see on the dashboard, you can move up and down by just clicking at the corner there to move from one side to the other of your dashboard. And here now you can see now we are having odd persona and email. Now here now they say you can use an alternative identity to hide your reading information online. You can do so by generating a name, for example, that you use just for some specific site. Let's click on it and then try to see how we can do that. How we can create an alternative ID that can be used for sites where we don't need to enter our reading information. Here now, you're encouraged to create your own persona. You can auto-generate it or you can edit it manually if you like. For example, here they just generated one automatically where they gave a name. Everywhere you see random, this is something you can create that you'll be using to some sites. Your age, your gender, your country. Try to have a preview. If you like now, you can now create your own persona, what we call the alternative persona. And this now will be used. And this now will be used on sites where you don't want really a real personality to be identified. Site that you can really use an alternative ID to shop or do certain things that are not really official. That this is how all persona can help you to tweak your personality. As you can really see, with all persona, your online life is now organized, private and secure. You control others see about you online. Please take action today. Just scan the QR code on screen or click the link in the description to try Surfshark free and experience the power of all persona for yourself. And if you like my free PDF guide too with extra online privacy tips, you will find that link in the description. Just download it and I'll be glad to send it straight to you in your inbox. Thank you very much for paying attention.